Welcome everybody. Today we are playing a special timing. As we can all see here that I am very new to this game, so don't judge me. Anyways, guys, let's just start. I never played this game, so I don't know what it is. Okay. Crawl. Why do we crawl like this? Okay. So we need white key. What is this? Someone must have unlocked it, right? Okay. I am actually kind of new. So I actually really don't know. Get hammer? Do we need hammer? Oh, this how do you unhold it? Huh? Okay. Did we use this? Break wood planks off the block doors. Oh, break wood planks. So where's the wood planks? Guns. Can we jump? Can we jump in this one? Like jump on stuff. Oh no! Oh no! Please! I'm just new to this. Oh no! Can we open doors and close them? We can! Even by holding them. Unlike Piggy, we can't. Okay. Okay, it's not open yet. I don't want to go this way. Someone just died. I only know I only know the shops. That's the only thing I really know for real. It's just the shops. Why did I not see that sooner? Oh my lord. And I'm also new. That's great. Shop. So we got Mo, King Mo, there's Zoe, Zombo, there's Matto, there's Cookie, there's Police Mo, there's Big Quack, there's Abby, there's Ghost Mo. What? Why do they all rhyme? They feel like they're all rhyming. Round results. Oh. Well, there's me. I'm dead. Killer. Oh, it was a bot. Oh, so that's what the bot looks like. I'm guessing it was in jail. I don't know how he was in jail, though. But that's fine. So what's traps? What are traps? Default traps, aqua traps, big traps, electric traps, grass traps, fire traps, ghost traps, black hole traps, snowy traps, purple sparkle traps, red sparkle traps, pink sparkle traps, green sparkle traps, blue sparkle traps, rainbow sparkle traps. Okay. Death noise. Man or death. Oh, I pick woman. Clown, explosive, Albert scream, rubber duck. No! I've fallen, fart, Ollie intro, DG Vu. Okay. I think that's it. I only got 5 coins. Wow. Like for me, players. Ooh, she's the piggy. I don't know which one we played. We are playing. There's little drawing crayons there with crayon box down below. Hi, Sarah. Guys, look, Sarah has joined. It's Sarah OMG, guys. Oh, so this is the house. This looks like Granny's house. This looks like a version of Granny's house. And, is this a version of Granny's house? And this might be a version of Granny's house and, what's that guy? The Noob's house or something? What's his name again? I forgot. Something like, I forgot what his name is. Bloxy, or is it Newbie or something? Oh, I don't know. By the way, I saw this. What the? That is highly inappropriate, whatever you're trying to do or trying to show us. There's Mo. Hello, Mo. We're just gonna. It's coming. I want to shut the. I want to shut the door in his face. Oh, it's a bot because I hear the nubbling. Nubbling. I don't think that's a word. So that must be the kitchen with all the plates and stuff. That must be the washing room or something. This is Granny because of the song and like, you know, this is Granny. This is definitely Granny. I mean like Piggy. This is Piggy and Granny. And this is also bakon. Yes, that was the word, bakon. This is also bakon, I think. I just think. I actually don't know. I just think. Cause Granny doesn't have. I mean, she does, but like bakon. You saw that line upstairs. That definitely looks like it, and it doesn't look like Piggy's because Piggy's doesn't look like that. So it's definitely bakon. Okay, bakon. What's the big? I'm guessing this is actually Granny / Piggy / bakon. Uh-oh. So it's coming. I heard it. It's coming. Ooh, gun. Finally, first time. Oh, you can use 3 bullets. Oh no. Why did I open that? Everything good? We need yellow. Oh no! I literally, okay. Oh, that's not bot. Bruh. I did not see. I'll really end this video for real. It was worth it. How did Sarah... Really, Sarah? Oh my god, put 3 L's. I'm like, really, Sarah? What? Dang, you died. Dang. Oh, wait. What was that? What was that called again? The hype dance, right? A hype. Yeah. That's definitely called the hype dance when she was dancing. Freaking died. What about Meru? Like, what about my room? Okay. Okay, look like she win. I mean, I would play with her. I would play with her. GG. since I am going to play with her, I guess I should join her. So I'm guessing this is the end for now, which I'm very sad because I haven't won nothing yet or at all. So I'm gonna just stop it from here, and I'm gonna go and play with her. So anyways, bye guys. Peace. Wait. Hold on. I need to see who's Piggy. Oh, there's only 3 chapters. 4. Okay, first chapter. Bye, guys. Peace.